In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how I created this fiery resin coaster. First of all, we are mixing our resin. For this project, I am using Epodex PRO, and I have to mix it in a 2-to-1 ratio. I am making sure that the two components are mixed perfectly. This takes around 3 to 5 minutes. Next up, we separate some resin for the colored parts. For one single coaster, we barely need a few drops of resin, but this depends on the size and the style we want to achieve. For the fiery coaster, I am mixing red and orange colors. I'll list all materials used in the video description, including any discount codes if available. I am using liquid pigment paste, and I make sure to add just 1 to 2 drops of it. Otherwise, my resin could get too heavy, and it won't flow as it should. Pigment pastes are very strong, so even with just 1 drop, we achieve a very vibrant color. After I prepare all the materials, I slowly pour the first color directly onto the edges of the mold. I love when this part is thin, but it can, of course, be poured more thickly too. It doesn't have to be perfect. We can still make some adjustments with our mixing stick. After the first color is done, I immediately start with the second one. Once both colors are done, we don't wait. We just pour our transparent resin into the middle and let it flow right into our colors. The transparent resin will pull the colors into the center. I use a torch to pop any bubbles on the surface and let the magic happen. The resin will slowly pull into the middle. This takes 5 to 20 minutes, and I will show it sped up in the video. This resin hardens in 24 hours. After this time, I can finally demold it and see how it turned out. I am very pleased with the results. This color combination has become one of my favorites. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more exciting tutorials, subscribe to my channel.